Hello everyone, and welcome to the next episode of Sniffle Souls from Go as well. Right then. Again, it's time to slay a dragon, it's time to kill it. It's time to slay a dragon, murder the bitch. As much as I like dragons, this one is quite evil. I'm on everything this dragon is. Yeah. Now then, I'm fairly certain you can bitch it out by, like, going down and then going back up the ladder, but I'm not sure if Calamita just run away, so that way you can't actually do that. I'm not sure if From Software will have, like, put that in the AI or not. Anyone else? Yes. Die. So, how's everyone doing today? Can you roll this fast? I bet you can't. If you can, it bloody hurts, because I've tried. Like, rolling that way. If you go, like, diagonally, like one shoulder to your hip sort of thing, it's not so bad, but bloody hell does that hurt. And the shoulder to hip one hurts if you jump too much. Okay, then. Take two of this not so electric, not so boogaloo. Hello again, Calamite. I still don't like you. Because you're a meanie butt. You don't seem to pay attention to rolling. Oh dear, wrong way, wrong way. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, I get you. So being in attacking range is a bad idea. Is that an insta-kill? It is. Wow. Okay. We're gonna try and bitch it out next turn. Like, if we go down the ladder and climb back up the ladder, hopefully we'll still be able to see the fucker. Which means we may need to buy some more arrows, because I'm not sure whether the 20 odd that we have is gonna be enough. Most worrying. Most worrying indeed. I don't think there's any help I can summon either. Excuse me, good sir, who I said that next time I see you I may kill. I'm not going to kill you, but, do you sell arrows?
He is an ancient dragon.
You do.
Farewell, human. I await good tidings. I suspect thou hast but the dark of the abyss. It seems that this dark, but seduced by a dark, they awoke that thing themselves and drove it mad. One's demise is always. If thine wish is to succeed poor Artorias and chant, then thou must face. The dark emanates. Even if this land shall expire, thou may be able to prevent, but even so, one day the flesh and even a legend such as thyself.
I'm a legend?
Do not. I share it. I would have much to talk about with that blacksmith. In truth, I was still hammering away. No, in
Yeah, boy.
truth,
Now then, how many arrows do we have? Oh, I unequipped the... No, that makes sense. Right. Time to get back to the place. I will check how many arrows I have. 37. Somehow I'm not sure that's going to be enough. Because unlike Go's great bow, it won't go through his wing and pin it to his body. Ugh. At least it's not a difficult boss fight to get back to, I suppose. We've got that going for us. The thing we don't have going for us is the ability to kill the motherfucker. Without just dying a horrible, horrible death. And, you know, we can't use, the iron flesh thing, because then we won't be able to dodge the fire and we'll just simply die. Black Flame's going to be of no use. Like, literally no use. Hi, dog. Thank you for your service and, you know, death, dog. Okay. See, this is a cool bow, right? But Go's bow is like 12 times the size of it, at least. And I know it's not the size of the bow, but how you use it. But still, I mean, come on, it's a bit ridiculous how much better his bow is than ours. Calamite, hello there. Are you gonna knock me off the ladder? Is that what you're gonna do? No? You don't have time? That's wonderful. Oh, you're gonna just breathe fire up here. So, they did think of a way to stop you from bitching him out. Great! Fucking marvelous. Just what we all wanted, innit? Having to face him like a man. Oh well, we tried that way, at least. We explored all the options which involved us not having to play well. And now, we are stuck forever in between. Oh well. Hold on, I just want to check. Yeah, it is called the Dragon Slayer Greatbow, so I think it's apt if we slay the dragon with it, right? Or at least try to. So we're going to play Keep Away. We're going to aim to keep away from the dragon, and the dragon's going to try and keep away from our arrows, whilst trying to get to us. And we're going to obviously try and get our arrows to the dragon. Keep Away. Dark Souls Edition. Hopefully, we'll be good enough at it to not need flasks. Because, I'm gonna be chugging them away, apparently, before we get there. Chuggington. Slice, bitch. That's right, bitch, get diced, motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah. When I walk into the boss arena, my heart starts beating slightly faster. My breath it quickens, and I slide down a ladder. To my doom, perhaps. Perhaps not, though. We'll see. $39 damage. You know what? Cancel this. Cancel. Abort mission. Ground control to Major Tom. Abort mission. Roll. Okay. Ow. Dude, calm down. Calm down, Bay. You wouldn't want to actually hurt me, would you? You wouldn't do that. Would you? No. No, you wouldn't hurt me. 'Cause you love me, right? Right, Calamite? I've never done anything wrong to you. I wouldn't do that, you know that. You know that, right? Right, Calamite, right? I know you know that. You just, you know, had a bad day, right? Right? Got an arrow shot through your wing. We've all been there. Maybe. I mean, I don't have wings, but I'm sure I've experienced something similar. Like, there's one time I got shot by an arrow which is about 6 times the size of me. That was not a fun experience, I can tell you that right now. Ow. You know you're a lot bigger than me, right? Come on, just breathe some fire. Come on, that'll make you feel better. I swear it usually does anyway. Ow, fucking hell, man. Relax, you bitch. Ow. Why are you being so mean? Ah, for fuck's sake. Right, we're going to the depths. We're getting power overwhelming. So hopefully if I can kill it fast enough, it won't be able to kill me. But I think I just got broke up with by a dragon. That doesn't seem like fun. Whoops. Okay. Into the depths. My phone charger just fell on the floor, that's what the thumpy noise was then. Oh. No, why did I do it this way? Oh well. I should be strong enough to be able to handle down here. Hmm. Ow, bro. You know what, you're gonna fucking regret that. Get one hit. Ice wine. It's a shame he's not there. It's so much easier to get to there. Oh. Lagging. Lagging. When you wake up in the morning and you're feeling tired, you have suffered brain lag. Brain lag. When you're not quite at your best, but you still invest a hell of a lot of time. Running better than number one in. Getting knocked back for days. You've got an ugly face. I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way, guys. Just so you know. Why does rolling not work anymore? Or at least not today. Oh no, it's raining. I left my window open. At least rolling worked then. Pins and needles sitting in my foot. Seems to be not the best. Not the best of things. I could use a bloomin' purple moss clump to cure my toxin, but I can't be bothered to do that. It's a lot of effort. 5 flasks left. It's almost as if I haven't actually used any. Punch him. Just keep on punching. Actually, that was not a good idea. Not a good idea at all. Ah, fuck. Alright, I'll just warp. Lame. So lame. So very lame. I wonder if this catches on my mic. That's my eye. Is that normal? Let me know in the comments below. If it's normal for your eyes to go. I made that noise with my mouth, by the way. Okay. Oh. Okay, the depths is actually, I think, closer than the Daughter of Chaos. So, back here again. This time I'm going to rest here, so we don't have to go through loads of loading again. And I'm going to play a bit more carefully. Okay? Rest. Access the bottomless box. Let me put some stuff away. So I need all of them gone. No, all of them. Keep that out. Put the rubbish in. Copper coin, gold coin. Cool. Seems fair to me. Run, 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 and I'm on fire. Totally side. Okay. Run, everyone, run, 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 everyone, run. You're gonna die again, just because you hit me last time. In fact, so's your friend. And so's this rat. Cool. I feel like I'm hitting a wall at the moment with Dark Souls. I might have to, for the first time since I fucked up with the failcast, do some off-screen training and leveling and stuff. Because I'm fairly certain these episodes have got to be getting a bit boring, right? Are they dead? No, they're not quite. Now they are. Ah, he who swipes first, swipes first. Right, heal. Are they running through? Oh, they can they just not make it? Okay. Shoot you in the face, shall we? Okay. I know it's not exactly dragon slaying, but it'll do. That's the point. Do I actually have, Yeah, I do. I meet the required parameters. I was wondering why I have to set the fucker in the floor, but I suppose as a great bow, you just have to do that sometimes. Oh shit, that was a mistake. Just wasted 600 and something souls. Why, hey there! How are you doing? Oh, you survived the one-handed attacks? Isn't that nice? Isn't that so nice for you? Nobody else, but for you, that's gotta be nice. I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna come over here. Right, and then I'm gonna two-hand so I can one-shot you guys. Hey, stop eating me. That seems like a very rude thing to you to do. Fucking die. And I'm gonna ragdoll your body around. Because you tried to eat me. You? Yeah, fuck you. Oh, they're trying to touch each other inappropriately. No. Bad monsters. You're not allowed to do that here. Only appropriate touching here. Jeez. What do they take this place for? Oh my. I haven't come this way in a long time. I forgot about that thin walk bit. Nice spear, bro. Now then, I am going to rush to the bonfire down here. Just in case I die. It's not an unlikely thing to occur. That's right, bitch. Disappear. Okay. Run through here. I'm going to put my shield back on. For the dogs. Cool. Why, how'd you do, guys? How'd you do? Die, mother bitch, die. That's right. So, funding-wise, I need money for, motherboard, and I don't have any excess funds that I can spend on it, and I'm mildly upset. But oh well. It's my fault for assuming that my computer wouldn't be a heap of absolute turd, and would actually be able to be upgraded without getting a new motherboard. Sorry for the helicopter, by the way. I'm sure that's going to come out on the thing. Come up here. They're going to try and follow, but that doesn't really matter. What does matter is that I'll come around here, in here, through here, if you'll let me up, thank you. Through here, then down here, Oh, you missed? That's cool, because when I clicked to attack, you didn't. And kill that. Then, boom. Power within. Now then. Shall we? Should we jump to our death? I'm feeling it's probably not a good idea to do that. But I'm also thinking maybe we should. Just fuck it and give it a shot. Nah. May as well run through here. And live on the wild side for a bit. Because 9k souls isn't really going to do much for us at this point in the game. So it doesn't really matter that much if we do lose them. Let's do this. Oh. I thought I would have lived that. That's upsetting. Oh well. Not got to have breakfast yet. Hmm. Well. Um. I think that we're going to do something different next episode. We're going to take a break from the DLC, but we're not going to go back to try and fight the Bitch of Chaos. Actually, we've got Go's Great Arrow. Go's Great Arrows, so we might be able to pull something off, actually. Dunno. But I believe there's something around here that we haven't done as of yet. So, we shall do that before we go. Hey dude! Don't you try and grab me, mother bitch. I will black flame you so hard. Yeah, take that. You only needed all of the black flames. Come on, there we go. Thanks for the enchanted falchion. You guys are so fucking dense. Oh, forgot about you. More prism stones. Wonder why you might need them. But yeah, there's something I need to do here. It's very important. In fact, I would go as far as to say it's imperative. Oh, where the fuck did you come from, man? Jesus. You need to calm the fuck down, dude. Okay, 3-shot with it, and I'm assuming 2-shot without. Like 2-shot, 2-handing. Yeah. Cool. Now then. Where's the mother bitch we need to massacre? Is that a Titanite demon? No, that's just a drop. Okay. I swear that there's a mother bitch around here I need to massacre. It looked like yellowy gold. Crystalline. Very nice. I'm assuming it's got incredibly high physical defense. Though, nothing, but not much else. Oh, it's just really heavy and it breaks quickly. Something like that is my assumption. Where's the Goldie? 3 at once might be a problem. Oh well. I can deal. It's a shame that I can't stun them every hit. But oh well. Run! Nice uppercut, dude. You literally knocked me off my feet. Where is the golden one? I swear. Unless I haven't progressed that storyline. In which case, that sucks. Why, howdy. Die, bitch, die. That's right. Motherfucker. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Hello. I wonder how much power attack does. 567? 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 7. Yeah. Oh, the golden bastard ain't here. Well, ain't that something? I say that's something. If you ask me, that's something. Well. Well. I'll be 582. There's something else that I really think you should know. Had unlimited refills for just a quarter more. I said that's great, except for at the drive-thru. So what would I want that for? Sorry, I don't know why I went full Weird Al then. Bit drive-thru up in here, but apparently I did. So yeah, I think next time we are going to try and take on Seath the Scaleless in his Crystal Forest. So again, I'd like to thank you all for watching. And, yeah. I will see you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.